Good morning, children. Here we can start today's class. And so let me, Ameya, can you tell me the name of the chapter which we are discussing now?
Food production.
Okay, food protection. So in food production, what all things we are getting from the market? What all things we are bringing from the shops? From where, from who is making this, who is preparing this one, who is making these all items? That is what we want to see it in this chapter. Okay, so I think in the last chapter we learned one important concept in from this chapter, isn't it? One important concept in this chapter. Yes, who can tell me which concept we learned it in this last class, in the last class?
Can I make her?
Wait, Mecca, wait. Everyone, let me see those who know, those who noted it in the rough book, take it and tell me. Raise your hand. Okay, George. Yes, George, tell me.
Ma'am, farm.
Okay, farm. So what do you mean by farm, George?
Ma'am, is a piece of place that is used to grow crops and raise animals.
Animals. Okay, very good. Okay, piece of land. See, do we need to learn by heart this answer? No, it's a piece of land. What it is used for? Growing crops and also to rear animals, to raise animals. That we discussed it in the last class. I hope you understood, right? So farm, a farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals. Okay, here let me say, Ahian, what is the meaning of this raise? I think all other words are familiar to you. What is the meaning of this raise?
To take care.
Okay, to take care. Okay, so Ahian, please keep your video properly. I want to see your face. Okay, so I think children, it is very easy to understand, easy to learn. Yeah. Mute your audio. Ahian, mute your audio. So here we learned about farm. And next one. So here all, let me ask you. Yeah. Yes. Sarah, what is this place called? What is this place called? What is this place? A piece of land growing crop. Farm. It is a farm. Isn't it? Paddy farm. So next one, Devananda, what is this place called?
Ma'am, which place, ma'am? Ma'am,
Yeah, this farm, coconut farm. Isn't it? It is a farm and it is also a coconut farm. Right. So Lionel, please adjust your video. I want to see your face. I can see everything except your face. Adjust your, come here to the device. Yeah. So some more down. Keep it some more down. Your video. Lionel, unmute. Unmute Lionel fast. Fast.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this place called?
Ma'am, farm.
Which type of farm? Which farm? Yes, Advait. Yeah, what is this called? This place?
Rice farm.
Is it rice? It is wheat farm. Okay, wheat farm. So in this one, okay, Lionel,
Yes,
what is this place called? Here also.
Ma'am, grape farm.
Okay, space where we grow the grapes, right? Okay, so here also we can see different farms. And one more. Ainel Sabah, what is this place called? What is this place called?
Animal farm.
Farm. Okay, chicken farm, or we can say it as poultry farm. And what about Ain Elsaba? What about this place where the cattle are reared or raised? Yes, what is this place called? I can't hear you. Okay, cattle farm. Okay, cattle farm. So likewise, we learned about different types of farm. Now we want to know what is farming. Okay, what is farming? Farming means growing useful plants and raising livestock. Raising livestock is called farming. On a farm, that is called farming. Growing useful plants and raising livestock. So this is a new word here. All other words are familiar to you. Am I correct? Am I correct? So growing useful plants and raising livestock on a farm is called farming. So anybody know the meaning of livestock? Livestock? No. So livestock. So write in your rough book, write today's date. What is today's date? 10. Fast, start writing.
10/11/2021.
Okay. Start writing. 10/11/2021. Okay. So here the first new word of today's, that is livestock. Okay, livestock. Livestock. Devananda, what is the spelling of this livestock? Fast, livestock. Be ready with Devananda.
LIVESTOCK.
Livestock. That is the spelling. Livestock means animals. Animals, when we raise them, when we look after them for getting the products, after that we can sell the product and we can make money. Okay, so likewise, if we are taking care of any animals, we can call it as livestock. I hope it's clear. The word meaning of livestock means when we raise any animal, when we take care of any animals, and from that animal, if we get any products, by selling that products, if we can get money, then we can call that those animals, those items as livestock. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Ma'am, so can you write the
No need of writing. Wait, no need to write the definition of livestock. So first note down the word livestock. So just imagine cow. From cow we will get milk, isn't it? By selling that milk, we will get money. We can make money. Clear? And see, if we are growing so many chicks, if we are rearing some chicks, by after that they will become hen, they will become mature. So out of it we will get eggs. By selling their meat, we can earn money. So that hen chicks, we can call it as livestock. Livestock means the animals or whichever it is. For example, another example, some people are there selling babies of the dogs. Am I right? So babies of the dogs, they are selling that baby dogs in huge amounts. Isn't it, Kashinath? Isn't it? Yes. So if we want to make any pet dog, we can buy that baby dog from those people. Okay. So there, the dogs which that person it is raising or taking care, that dogs we can call as livestock. Cattle, buffaloes, chicks, and these all the common name for animals, common name for the animals from which we can earn money. That is called livestock. Is it clear? It is a new word. Clear? Okay. So now we can discuss about the definition of farming. Growing useful plants and raising livestock on a farm. That is called farming. Okay, that is called farming. So here we can say in the farm, in this farm, which is the livestock here in this farm. In this farm, which is the livestock here?
Hens.
Hen and cow.
Second one.
Cow.
Cows. In the first one, which is the livestock here? Chicks, right? Yes. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ahian and Ivana baby, are you fighting with your sister or brother or attending the class? Okay. Be attentive in the class. Avoid all the distractions. Okay. So here, take your rough book and write it. Ahian, read the definition of farming. Ahian.
Growing useful plant and raising livestock on a farm is called
Farming. Okay, mute your audio. Devananda, what is a farming? What is farming?
Growing useful plants and raising livestock on the farm is called farming.
Okay. So next one, Partha, are you okay today? Are you okay? Okay. So tell me, what is farming?
Growing useful plants and raising livestock on a farm is called farming.
Farming. Okay. So Amal Fayaz, what is a farming?
growing useful plants and raising livestock on a farm is called a farming.
Okay. So here I want to ask you, Amal, you told me in the last class in your home so many chicks are there, right?
Not chicks.
Ducks, isn't it? Okay, so can you tell me, are you farming? Are you doing farming?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so which is the livestock in your farm?
Father and mother.
Livestock. Which is the livestock in your farm? Ducks. Clear, Amal? Amal Fayaz, clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, now who is having farm? Who is having farm, children? Raise your hand, let me see. Yes, Gurujit, do you have farm? Jibichan, wait. I think Jibichan. Yeah. Are you, is that your family is doing farming?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, is it crops or livestock in your farm?
Livestock.
Okay, livestock. Which is the livestock in your farm? Hen. Okay. So, children, with these two examples, I hope you understood about farm, about farming, about livestock. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is these three? Okay.
The farming.
Sehara? Yes, Sehara.
Can you show the farming definition?
Yes. Definition of farming. Write it fast. So, at that time, Joseph Ivan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So read the definition of farming. Did you note down in your rough book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So read about farming.
Growing useful plants and raising livestock on a farm is called farming.
Okay. So Joseph, do you have any farm? Do you own any farm?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
have family? No.
No,
Okay. Okay. So children, I hope you understood this farming. Next one. Next one. Farmers. Okay. Farmers. Who is a farmer? The people who grow useful plants and rear animals on their farms are called farmers. Not only this person, we can call it as farmers. The person who is taking care of this cows, cattle, taking care of these chicks, that people also we can call it as farmers. Okay, so understood? So next one, farmers, important definitions. Okay, farmers. So Kashinath, what is the definition of farmers?
The people who grow useful plants and rear animals on their farms are called farmers.
Okay, so Kashi, are you noting it in your rough book? Did you get your rough book? Did you get your rough book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so show me your rough book.
Ma'am, I didn't finish note.
Okay, so Ameya, tell me, who is a farmer? Who are farmers?
The people who
Is it pupil? Is it pupil? Is it pupil? P-U-P-I-L or P-E-O-P-L-E? What is that word?
People,
So how to read that P-E-O-P-L-E?
the people,
Okay, so pupil. What is the meaning of pupil? Students. Isn't it? Students. Okay, so farmers, the people who, read it Ameya.
the people who grow useful plants and rear animals on their farms are called farmers.
Okay, Adnan, who is a farmer or who are farmers?
Ma'am, I am noting only.
Okay, you can read it from your rough book, this one, no slide. Who is a farmer?
The people who grow useful plants
Plants.
and rear animals
Rear.
on their farm are called farmers.
Okay, Farhan, who is a farmer?
Yes, ma'am. The people who grow useful plants and rear animals on their farm are called farmers.
Okay, Niranjana, who is a farmer?
The people who grow useful plants and rear animals on their farms are called farmers.
Okay, so, okay. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Ma'am, can you show the board?
Yes. So, wait. So, children, so can we call Amal Faya's parents, can we call Jibichan's parents as farmers? Do you agree with it?
Yes.
Yes. Why you are agree with that? Why you are agreeing with that? Why you are agreeing with it?
Because people who grow plants and raise animals are called farmers.
Okay, in Amal Faya's
Rear
parents.
animals on their farms.
Okay, Amal's parents are raising the livestock. Jibichan's family is also raising the livestock. Is there any others who are? Yes, Kashinath. What do you want, Kashi?
Ma'am, my mother is growing plants here.
Your mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Which type of plants, Kashi?
So many are there. I cannot.
So many are there. Are you getting any products from it?
No, ma'am.
No. So at that time we can't say it is a farm. Okay. So farm means a coconut farm. If you have a large area and so many coconuts are there, after getting coconut, you can sell the coconut, you will get money. So at that time we can call that as coconut farm, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. So in the same way, those are taking care of that coconut tree, coconut plants, then selling it, that all things those people we can call them as farmers, coconut farmers. Okay, sometimes in your home, pepper, black pepper will be there, so many.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes,
ginger is there.
ginger. If you are selling that home products and getting money out of it, then you can surely say that your parents also are farmers.
My father asked
Yes, Devananda, tell me. Say it loudly, don't murmur.
My father bananas.
Ma'am, I cannot join the happy hour today because my father and mother is going to somewhere. And
Kashi, keep quiet. Devananda, tell me.
Ma'am, my father sells banana.
Okay, so are you selling that bananas?
Yes.
Yes, so your father is a banana farmer, we can say, plantain farmer.
And my father's brothers also.
Okay, brother. Okay, so you understood this one, right? So let me give chance to yeah. So those who did not complete, you can write it now. And Akshit, who is a farmer?
The people who use food plants and rare animals on their farms are called farmers.
Okay. So next one. Next one. Okay. How does a farmer grow plants on farm? Very important. It is very, very important. How does a farmer grow? Yes, how does a farmer grow plants on farm? That is very, very important. Okay, so first, if we have some farm, if we have some place, we have some place, if we have some place, piece of land, what we want to do? First, we want to make it ready for the crop, isn't it? We want to make it ready for the crops. Otherwise, if we want to rear any animals, we have to make some arrangement to that for making shed, arrangement for them to lay down, arrangement for them to take food, keeping their food. So likewise, arrangements we need to do. Am I right? Simply can we bring some animals and can we raise them simply? No, we should protect them from rain and sunlight, isn't it, from the climate. And in the same way, if we want to produce some crops, we want to prepare, sorry, if we want to produce some crops from a land, we need to prepare the land. First of all, we should decide which crop we want to prepare, we want to grow in your land. Isn't it? Isn't it? Which type of crop we need to grow it in our land, that we want to decide. That decision, which crop we want to grow, that may depend on the climatic condition. Okay, so children, in Kerala, which crop is growing a lot? In large, yeah.
coconut tree.
Coconut tree, okay. Another
Banana tree.
banana, okay, plantain. Another,
Banana tree.
wait. Paddy field, right? Rice.
Mango tree. Mango.
Yeah, okay, rice.
Mango.
Okay, rice, coconut, these all are more in our state.
Dad also have a plot of.
George, remove your background, virtual background. Okay.
There is a work over here, so my mom told put the background.
Okay, so here children, in Kerala, according to the climate, here monsoon, we are in Kerala, we get a lot of monsoon rain. So we select the crop which need lot of water. In this one, this crops like paddy, rice, vegetables, these all need a lot of water. So we can grow these type of crops in our land. But in the case of wheat, Do we grow this wheat in our Kerala, in our state? No, wheat we are getting it from other states such as Punjab, like that. There, the condition is favorable for the growth of the wheat. Do you think, is in Punjab, are they getting enough rain? Enough rain? No, no, they are not getting enough rain. It is very hot. So at that time, the people, farmers of the Punjab, farmers in Punjab, they will select the crop which need less quantity of water. Am I right? Am I right? The people who are there in Punjab, they may select the crop in their farm, the which need less amount of water. They can't select rice to cultivate there, because for the rice they need a lot of water. That is not possible because their climatic condition is different from ours. So first of all, what the farmers should do? The farmers has to decide which crops to grow. Okay, so how does a farmer grow plants on farm? That is the topic which we will discuss it in the next class. Okay. So first point we already discussed, the farmer has to decide which crops to grow. Other two points we will discuss it in the next class. Okay, if you are writing, then also okay. First point only to write. Okay, don't write.
Father has a piece of land. Ma'am, I cannot